Remember when we said that addition and multiplication were similar? That multiplication was just a quick way to add when all the numbers were the same? All the sections, all the pieces? When you're dealing with fractions, multiplication is a quick way to add. What we're doing is taking a group of objects. In this case, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. If our problem said 3/5 of 10. Now 10 is a whole number, and to represent 10 as a fraction, we would have to put the 10 as the numerator, and the denominator would be the number of pieces in the whole. And a whole means one. There's one whole piece. There are no cuts in it. So our problem could be written over again. 3/5 of means times 10 divided by 1, because that's a whole piece. If we were to take our sections here and divide them into, or separate them, I should just say group them, as in groups of 5, perhaps we could make sections like this. That would give us a section, it's 1 section, 2, 3 sections, 4 sections, and 5 sections. So if we were going to take 3/5 of those, we would be talking about 1, 2, 3 of these sections. Mathematically, we could multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So in this case, we would have 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5. And then reduce this fraction. It is a top-heavy, improper fraction. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. We should have 6 markers in this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3/5 of 10 is 6. If we were to take this section and say 2/3 of 2, 4, 6. 6 is a whole number. To put a whole number as a fraction, to represent it as a fraction, it would be 6 over 1. 2/3 of means times. So we would have 3 sections in here. Perhaps we would split it this way this time. Here's a section, section 2, section 3. We would be talking about 2 of those sections. You can clearly see that there are 4 markers in this section. Let's see if we can get that mathematically. We're going to multiply our numerators. 2 times 6 is 12. Multiply denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. This is an improper fraction. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 2, 4. 5/6 of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's rewrite as a fraction. We're going to put our whole number into a fraction. 5/6 of means times. 12 is whole, so as a fraction, it's 12 divided by 1. All right, we're going to need six sections of this. So if we divide it this way, we would only get two sections, the top section and the bottom section. So we're probably going to have to do it this way. 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections, 5 sections, 6 sections. We're going to be talking about 5 of these. This is all we're considering, this group right here. We can clearly see that there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're hoping that our answer is 10. Let's see if it works out mathematically. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 12. 5 times 12 is 60. Here's 12 times 5. We're going to get 10, and we're going to get a 50. So 5 times 12 is 60. 6 times 1 is 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10.